Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1968 Olds 442. I've shown the 66 and the 67 before, and now we're going to take a better look at it. But before we unbox it, please don't forget to give me your thumbs up, to share this video, and to subscribe my channel. So let's go on. So, once we've unboxed the car, we can now take a better look at it. It was a very nice looking 1968 442 Olds Cutlass, and this is the first line of this more rounded design, which also looks very nice. This front is pretty realistic. It's very well made. This grille is not actually a grille, it's a piece cast in plastic, but it's got pretty good realism, as well as those headlights and blinkers right here. Those two are intakes, which are made in chrome. And one particular thing about these headlights is that they remind of 1959 Olds. They were just repeating the trend. This hood that opens and closes correctly. They've got simple hinges. They could be a little bit better, but they're still not very thick, just like we find in some different models. This engine with all details, it's got even a factory sticker right here. It's done very carefully as a separate piece. It doesn't have the realism we can find in the Highway 61 cars, but it's still very well made. It's pretty good for this cheaper model. The windshield wipers are right here. They're cast in metal. You could use a little color, a little chrome for a detail, which is something I will further do. It closes correctly. The antenna, which is a piece of plastic. Those wheels and tires, which are very nice and also very realistic. I really like those wheels. The blinkers are painted over, cast in metal, as well as the trim. Needs a little chrome paint. Interior with seats fold forward. There's no headliner. The dashboard is very good. On the floor. The rear, which is from the end of 1960s, it's typical of 1970s cars with the Oldsmobile written right here in the trim, which is painted over, and the Olds badge with a lock. Trunk lid is fixed, and driver's door. Very nice steering wheel, as we can see as we steer. Front tires turn. 442 stripe, and the bottom of the car. It's all made in black, just like the ERTLs, which is typical. Drive shaft is fixed. Suspensions are fixed. They're not operational actually. Steering system. The engine and tranny look very realistic, as well as the oil filter and the mufflers. The gas tank looks good. Could use a little silver paint to look a little bit more realistic. The bumpers are well made with all the rivets and bolts. Reverse lights, these could use a little white paint so they could be a little bit more realistic, but still we've got a very nice model right here. I really like this car and I like this model. It's very nice to have it on muscle car Diecast collection. This is a 1/18 made by ERTL American Muscle. So I'd like to thank you for all views, all likes and comments. Please don't forget to give me your thumbs up, to leave your comments, to subscribe my channel, and to share this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.